बघ. हा, एक नंबर चा.
Playing 11 for React Royals, Rohit, Saurabh Gupta,
बरोबर आहे.
Atif, Kamar, Chandan,
माझं नाही तो.
Chirag, Shiva, Fazal, Azim, Saurabh, Anas. Playing 11 for Flying Falcons, Shreyas, Imran, Ankit, Rohan, Gaurav, Inshal, Atharva, Pradeep, Sadashiv, Ubaid, and Prathamesh. The toss.
Coastal Road passing by, busy traffic of a working day, and cricket continues through the length and breadth of this city of dreams. We have Marine Line Station to our left, a busy office goers, as umpires have requested the opening batters to come on the field, please. Requesting extra player of both the teams to join me in the commentary box. Extra players of both the teams. So React Royals will be bowling and Flying Falcons are going to bat. We also welcome all the employees of K12 Insights, Sogolytics and Mouthshut.com. So both the openers on ground, Imran and Shreyas. Imran wearing that cap and Shreyas without any caps as cameraman capture them on their arrival at the crease. 36 number for Imran and 4 number jersey for Shreyas. It's a 10 overs match. First 2 overs will be power play. Batting team can take a batting power play anytime between over number 3 to 7. If they don't, then 8th over by default becomes the batting power play. 5 bowlers to be used. These are some rules as we get ready. Rohit Wagh will be bowling the first over of the tournament. Wishing good luck to both the teams from Sogolytics, K12 Insights and Mouthshut.com. Umpire Ronak is at the bowler's end. Umpire Hatim is at the striker's end. Rohit Wagh getting ready to bowl to Imran. Or rather Shreyas. Shreyas is wearing jersey number 4. Lower full toss ball, a brilliant drive and single. Very easy first ball.
Shantanu, wherever you are, can I please have you at the score box, please? Shantanu, wherever you are, can I have you at the score box, please?
Score 1 without any wickets. Flying Falcons, they would want to fly high in the sky like falcons. Swept it behind the square. Risky run. Could be a run out. No. He makes it. So both the batters, they open their account with single. Imran on 1, Shreyas on 1. Flying Falcons, 2 without any wickets. Lower full toss, played it behind the square. A bit wet outfield. trying to stop that ball by diving to his left, and couple of runs taken. Score now reaching 4 without any wickets. Yes, given. Brilliant ball by Rohit Wagh, enticing the batter to come forward and play. And brilliant glove work behind the stumps. Saurabh Gupta showing his electric wicket keeping skills, and joy all over the ground. React Royals have taken their man. New batter coming in as Ankit. As Shreyas stump out Saurabh Gupta, bowled by Rohit Wagh. Projected score looks 60. We welcome all the viewers who are watching this telecast online. Let's look at the wicket. Rohit Wagh getting a high five from the wicket keeper Gupta. We come to the end of first over, a fruitful one. 1 over, 4 runs and 1 wicket. Ankit not out on 0, Imran on 1. No boundaries in the first over. Chandan Gupta will start the fresh over from Islam Gymkhana end. Imran Khan farming the strike. Wide outside the off stump. Score 5 for 1. Loosener ball by Chandan Gupta. Chandan would certainly want to spread fragrance like a Chandan tree. This time ballooned in the air. Will this be taken? Oh, an easy catch dropped. That was a dolly. Score 6. Beautiful delivery, and Azim was so close to that delivery, but took his eyes off the ball, and that skyer was dropped. 6 for 1. Flying Falcons. You can watch the All Action live on Crick Heroes app. This time playing it behind the square, and third man stops it. 7 for 1. React Royals won the toss and decided to bowl first, and reactions are very hard, full of emotions. They managed to take wicket of Shreyas, who got out early. Lower full toss, and this will be a cracking 4. What a stroke that is. Imran Khan showing his class. That was early morning bread butter jam served to Imran Khan, and Imran Khan hitting the first boundary of the tournament. Another good shot. but very well stopped by Azim. It took the pace of the ball, and finally Saurabh stopping the ball. These are beautiful trophies that will be given. Chandan Gupta bowling over number 2, last of the mandatory power play. That was hit through the line and single towards Azim. So score is 14 for the loss of 1 wicket. One over each by Rohit Wagh and Chandan Gupta. We have completed the mandatory quota of power play. Batting team can certainly take a power play between over number 3 and 7. If not, 8th over becomes automatically the batting power play. Rohit Wagh shall continue. Batter facing him, Imran Khan. Oh, what a great slog sweep. That is falling sweep, and this will sprint to the fans for a brilliant 4. Oh, what a great slog sweep. That is falling sweep, and this will sprint to the fans. The falling sweep, and score now 18 for 1. We are in over number 3. That was a Sogolytics 4. Bad ball, punished it, goes past the point fans for a beautiful 4. Sogolytics 4. 4. Super start by Flying Falcons. They are flying high in the sky. It's a brisk start on the leg side and pulled away nicely towards wideish square leg as Fazal stops the ball. Rohit Wagh was very effective in his first over, but in this over it is Imran who is stealing the show and the limelight. Ankit not out on 1 of 4 balls. Another straighter one. Stump to stump bowling by Rohit Wagh. Finally learning his lessons hard way. He's like a transistor. Needs a whack from side in order to get fine tuned. Rohit Wagh. Overpitched and stopped at forward short leg. 23 for 1 after 3 overs. Rohit Wagh 2 overs 13 runs and 1 wicket. Ankit not out on 1 of 7. Imran not out on 18 of 8 as Shiva gets ready to bowl the 4th over. Batter facing him is Imran Khan. I am Khan with difference. Bad ball and punished it behind the square. A juicy full toss. Imran Khan takes a single. 24 for 1. Imran Khan looks so strong on the onside. Shiva Shankar is the bowler. a very different bowling action. Flying Falcons. Wide outside the off stump. Given by umpire Ronak Joshi. (25). Shiva Shankar trying to pitch the ball up, and that's what you got to keep doing. Pitch it in the right areas. (25 for 1). Half tracker ball pulled away. This will be in the arc, out of the park, and that's K12 inside 6. Finally, Ankit improving on his, rather it was Imran, who's enjoying the batting conditions, and now Ankit joining him in the run festival. Over pitched, and this will sprint to the fans for a lovely 4. Juicy half volley. Shiva Shankar leaking runs, and they are coming thick and fast. Flying Falcons look so happy. Score 35 after 4 overs. Imran Khan is playing as if he consumed a Red Bull in the morning. He has got wings to fly. And the way he is playing today, new over shall commence. Atif to bowl, and better facing him. Chandan Gupta gets repeated. Gupta bowled a good over, and he is going to bowl to Imran. Four overs, 35 for 1. Ankit 11 of 12. Imran 19 of 9. Shiva Shankar 1 over 12 runs. Wide and full, 36 for 1. Wide and full again, 37 for 1. Made a room for himself and a lovely square cut, but gets a single. Imran is here to stay. He's trending in an exceptional way. Has certainly made Imran Khan fan club. Single. So slow and steady progress, and we see in between an occasional boundary coming in, boundaries, sixers, they are required in this game. It's a limited overs game, result oriented cricket. Straight down the ground and fielded very well by Rohit Wagh, and before he could go ahead and throw it, they ran for 2. So that's the dugout for you. That's up in the air for some time. Cleared the ropes for 4 runs. Sogolitics 4. Such a nice timing by Imran Khan. He's the run machine for Flying Falcons, FF. made a room for himself, played an inside-out shot. His hand and eye coordination looks fabulous. Now, that's in the air. Some power behind the shot, and that will clear the fence. Marvelous four. Imran Khan showing his class. Storyteller, isn't he? Like Shah Rukh Khan. Imran Khan. जंग में जवान, खेत में किसान, फिल्म में लगान, क्रिकेट में इमरान खान. Inside out stroke and 1 run. So 50 up on the board at the end of 5 overs. Imran Khan certainly accumulating runs. So first 5 overs are bowled from the Islam Gymkhana end, and next 5 overs shall be bowled from Parsi Gymkhana end. Mumbai is the only city in the world which has a cosmopolitan culture across people of India. And you have got Parsi Gymkhana, then you have got Islam Gymkhana, then you have got Hindu Gymkhana, and then you have got Catholic Gymkhana. That just shows cricket unites people in this country. And the only city in the world to have such kind of Gymkhana setup, where people from various caste, color, creed and religion, they meet each other. Cricket unites people of this country. 5 overs, 50 for 1. Ankit 12 of 13. Imran 31 of 14. Chandan Gupta 2 overs, 25 runs and no wickets. Change in the bowling department as first over gets commenced from Parsi Gymkhana end. That's the happy dugout. People waiting for their opportunity to come. So Ninad to start the fresh over, Chirag. And it will be Imran Khan. Can Imran Khan score the first half century of this tournament? And that will be a cherry on the cake. He already has a secret to that 36 number. Lower full toss and a falling sweep. That seems to be his trademark shot. Falling time and again. But he's not worried about the laundry bill because he has got Surf Excel at home. 51 for 1. You're watching VCL Season 9, match number 1. Overpitched and driven nicely on the onside towards Whitish mid-wicket. They take a single. Ankit has settled in well. He is giving that stand and support to Imran Khan, and Imran Khan is milking runs here and there. He is using his bat like a sword. Lower full toss ball and a straight drive. Single to Imran, single to Flying Falcons. Flying Falcons are in a very good situation right now. When they lost Shreyas, there was a bit of uncertainty. But then Imran and Ankit, they put a brilliant partnership. Wide ball. Single towards short mid wicket. Imran is supporting very well. He's not just scoring his runs, but he's also supporting his partner in scoring runs. That's what cricket is all about. Both the batters should complement each other. Now that's a horizontal bat shot, and we will wait for the umpire signal. But what a stroke that was! Such a spectacular shot, and this will be 4 runs for Imran Khan. Score 59 for the loss of 1 wicket. Imran Khan scoring majority of the runs, and he has scored everywhere. He has played cut, pull, falling sweep, drive, all sorts of shots coming in from his bat. So Kamar Khan will start over number 7. 4 overs remaining. Imran on 37 of 17. Ankit on 14 of 16. Now look at the shot. Brilliant slog sweep from Ankit. Having an explosive style. Cover drive and single. And they will complete second also. They might as well look for more runs. Excellent running between the wicket. Well, they turn well. Run and turn continues. Wide ball. 68 for the loss of 1 wicket. The way Imran is batting, 100 is on the cards if he gets a go. That's a powerful hit and brilliantly stopped. Saving runs is need of the hour for React Royals. Falling sweep. Imran has mastered this shot in his spare time, probably practicing it in his society, or maybe after office hours he's practicing it. He has played 3 to 4 falling sweep, and every single time he is successfully nailing it for his team. That was a leg cutter. Umpire Hatim had a good look at that delivery. A veteran umpire, Umpire Hatim, doing umpiring for close to 30-35 years. Flick of the wrist behind the square. They will take single. They are trying to go for 2, and very well they will be finishing it before Saurabh Gupta could go ahead and get him run out. 72 for 1 after 7 overs. It's a good start for team Flying Falcons. They lost the toss. 72 for 1 after 7. Kamar Khan 1 over 13 runs and no wickets. Ankit on 25, Imran on 38. Shiva Shankar starts the fresh over, pitching it in the line of off stump. Full toss ball, and that's a no ball as well. Free hit. All the batters in dugout are looking happy. And why not? They have a reason to smile. Shiva Shankar with a unique bowling action. Over pitched and single on the onside. Eighth over in progress. 2 more overs after this. It's a 10-10 format, T10 format, very popularly known as. Steps forward and drives. Not happy with that stroke because he was not able to finish it. But they are going for 2. Now that's a hot shot and finally gets out. Mouthshut.com wicket. Finally some respite for Shiva Shankar. He was leaking runs like anything, but now he has a reason to smile. Kamar Khan. One Khan got rid of another Khan. Single with that cover drive. 78 for 2. Played on the on. And that will be 4. Two. Captain not happy with that lethargy in the field. Eight overs, 82 for 2. Chirag will bowl the next over. Single behind the square at third man. Ajay stopped the ball. New man in is Rohan, who has joined Ankit. Flying Falcons are in a comfortable position against React Royals. React Royals will have to react and react hard in the second innings. Act and react would be the mantra. Goes on the back foot and balloons it the air. Drilled above the bowler's head for single. Ankit will have to now play the role of a elder brother. He has settled in very well, not out on 31 of 24. Rohan on 2 of 2. bamboozled him, played on. And what a wicket this is for Chirag. Very well played, Ankit. Both Ankit and Imran have laid a strong foundation on which a run tower can be constructed. We still have about 1.5 overs to go. This time, Gaurav playing with bottom hand and a single. That's an inside out shot. Magnificent. In the air, and that will be a huge six. What a timing that was. He's coming to party in slog overs. (92 for 3 after 9 overs. Kamar Khan will bowl the last over. Overpitched and driven nicely by Gaurav. Bowling has looked more predictable as far as reactorals are concerned. The cool breeze running on this Islam Gymkhana. It's Marine Drive, Picture Manesque, Coastal Road passing by, and ideal cricketing conditions. It's a terrific Thursday. Slower ball up in the air, and Gupta will take it. As well. Sare cut, and Ajay stops it before he could give throw to Gupta. Gupta would want to claim a wicket, and here it is. Gaurav gets out. That's strange. And stumped out. So Saurabh Gupta gets another stump out for himself. And that brings in Pradeep. Inshal was on the crease just as a guest arrival. He came, he saw, he came back. The way you go to office, you punch the card, you meet your boss, sir, I need a sick leave, and you come back. Very short stay at the wicket by Inshal. Cross-batted stroke towards third man. And good throw by Rohit Wagh. We are in last over, and end of 10 overs. It's 97. 98 is the target to win the first match.
For those who have not marked their attendance, please do so right away. A gentle reminder to mark your attendance. Please make sure you do so. Please do not litter wherever you are. There are garbage bags. Please throw the disposals and trash.
के नीचे रोक दे वही बेहतर है। श्रेयस अच्छा खेलता है, इमरान अच्छा खेला, हम लोग का बॉलिंग भी अच्छा हुआ। इट्स नाइस।
Okay, thank you. All the best, Rohit. Attackers and C Sharp Kings on the field for the toss, please. Rajita, can we have you on stage, please? Rajita, can we have you on the field, please? C Sharp Kings have won the toss and elected to field first. I repeat, C Sharp Kings have won the toss and elected to field first.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Village Cricket League Season 9, brought to you by K12 Insights, Sogolytics, and Mouthshut.com. We are watching first match of the tournament. React Royals are getting ready. Saurabh Gupta, wearing a broad dream sun hat, is joined in by Atif as Pradeep gets ready to bowl the first over of the second innings. 98 is the target of 60 balls. Wide, one without loss. Just a gentle nudge on the onside, two without any wickets. Watchful start by Saurabh Gupta. He's a veteran. He had 2 stump outs and 1 catch behind the stumps. Now he's playing in front of the stumps. C Sharp Kings won the toss in the next match and they'll be bowling first. Earlier in the day, we saw some fantastic hard hitting by Imran Khan and Ankit. Making a room for himself and played it by opening the face of the bat in gully. Slow start as of now. They are not focusing on power play as a run getting over, but they want to just build on a partnership and they know we can do it. Juicy full toss ball on drive towards wideish mid wicket for single. .95 required of 57. Now that's a shot. Quality hitting. One bounce and will clear the fans. We have Atif Khan. Very panoramic view of this ground. Trophies in the background. A lovely HR initiative for K12 Insights, Sogolytics and Mouthshut.com. You can Google about these companies more if you are new to this world. Wide. Wide ball. People relaxed, enjoying on the main stage, talking about tomorrow. Stump to stump ball and 1 over 10 runs. 88 required of remaining 9 overs. C Sharp Kings, the defending champions, are doing a practice there. Ubaid is the bowler wearing jersey number 11. Saurabh Gupta is the batter. Nice stance of Gupta. And that's a gorgeous shot. 1 bounce and 4 runs. It's a no ball, free hit. And boundary. And that's going to be another good shot, and this will be K inside 6. Saurabh Gupta enjoying as if he went for shopping to Atrium Mall. He got a cash back, and while leaving he got a trendy bag from the mall. It's all happening here for Saurabh Gupta. Ubaid Bari. He'll have to definitely come out of his skins and bowl because it's not easy. Gupta is enjoying the conditions. He's a man who can score those 98 runs. Snorter. What a delivery that is. Whistling past the bat. What a great comeback ball. These are the trophies that will be awarded tomorrow to the winning team, runners-up team, individual prizes to grab. Half tracker ball pulled away, and that's a K inside 6. "27 runs without any wickets." Well, if you served bread butter jam, now you are serving us Mari biscuit with a tea. Another pull shot in the arc out of the park, and this will be Sogolitics 4. Ye dil mange more. That was a toe crusher Yorker. जरा बैट्समैन का नाम बताइए प्लीज. Chandan Gupta. Okay. So Ubaid Bari, what an over by him. He gave away 21 runs, but he claimed wicket of Saurabh Gupta. 31 for 1. चाय के साथ खारी, कॉफी के साथ मारी. रिएक्ट रॉयल्स पर पड़ा उबैद बारी बहुत भारी. 2 overs 31 for 1. Excellent score of power play. As Imran Khan gets ready to bowl to Chandan Gupta. You are watching VCL Season 9. Ubaid Bari played a lovely innings of Saurabh Gupta. He brought that to curtain. "48 balls and 67 to win. Current run rate 15.50. Required run rate only 8.38. They can do it. Believe me, they need one batter who can finish this off. Since the power play is over now, there's a wideish third man, a point, a deep cover, a wideish mid-off and a long off on the offside. Wide. 32 for 1. A square cut and single. You can't just keep hitting 4s and 6s. You got to keep taking singles and doubles. Singles are lifeline of limited overs game. These singles and doubles can help you. Singles and doubles, they can take you out of trouble. Lower full toss and whacked away. This will be K inside 6. Will take revenge, and score right now is 39 for 1. Another 59 to win. That was targeted on the legs. There's no LBW in this tournament, and that's a blessing in disguise for the batter. They can freely use their feet against the spinners and the medium pacers. Imran Khan scored 41 while coming in to bat at number 1. Supported very well by Ankit. Wide ball. "40 for 1. 40 for 1. You are watching VCL Season 9, brought to you by K12 Insights, Sogolytics and Mouthshed.com. But right now it's Chandan who's not out on 6 of 3. Atif Khan not out on 6 of 5. Batter out Saurabh Gupta who scored 22 runs. Full toss ball once again smothered away, and this will be Sogolytics 4. Bowling lacks the firepower. There are some easy picking taken by Saurabh Gupta. He set the momentum, and now it's Atif and Chandan. Now that's a perfect delivery aimed on the 4th stump. We are in 3rd over. We have 4 matches today, and tomorrow we'll have 3 matches. It's a 7 matches format, and lots of prizes to be won. Another good delivery, keeping low, end of the 3rd over. Score 45 for 1 after 3 overs. Imran Khan conceded 14 runs in his first over. People would have loved to see a contest between Saurabh Gupta and Imran Khan. They have that old rivalry against each other, but Saurabh Gupta came in early and got out early. Rohan Padwal will be bowling the next over, and he'll be bowling from the Islam Gymkhana end to Chandan Gupta. Atif Khan, correction. Wide, 46 for 1. Wide ball, 47 for 1. Never bowl wide balls and no balls. Wide balls, no balls and cigarette smoking is injurious to health and cricket. Single in front of the square, 48 for 1. A beautiful square cut, and that will race to the fence for 4 runs. Such a splendid timing. And 50 up on the board for team React Royals. We are Royals, we are loyal. Short, wide and punished. That's uppercut in the air for some time, but finally Imran Khan stopping it. Chase is happening inch to inch, yard to yard, and that's how you should chase the score. Brilliant work by React Royals up till now. Oh, what a delivery that is. Simply unplayable. And Rohan Padwal finally completes his over. At the end of 4 overs, the score is 53 for 1. And 45 runs required of 36 balls. Atif Khan not out on 7 of 7. Chandan not out on 15 of 9. Of 36 balls, required run rate dropping considerably to 7.50. Required run rate has dropped like Sensex crash in the share market. Wide, 54 for 1. that is in the air for some time, but nothing to worry. Safe shot. Gupta. Chandan is known to spread its fragrance, and this is what Chandan is all about. Chandan. Yeah. Wide ball. It's going to be a long over for Ubaid Bari. Pani. Ubaid Bari needs some water. Vikrant, can you rush with water bottle? Ah. Swiped it towards wideish mid wicket for 2 runs. Excellent commitment by both these batters, Chandan and Atif. Very entertaining innings by Chandan Gupta. Initially it was Saurabh Gupta and now Chandan Gupta. So it's Gupta and Gupta who's doing a brilliant job right now for React Royals. It's a fact that we will react. We will act, we will react. Because we are React Royals.
सर सिर्फ उधर ना के इनसाइड से ना K12 इनसाइड बोलते हैं.
So we have our boundary sponsors, Sogolytics, wicket sponsor mouthshut.com, and sixer sponsors K12 Inside. Ubaid Bari. Thickish outside edge and long chase for Imran Khan. Finally is able to stop it near the side screen. Some intense moment in this match. Captain looks so confident in the innings break. During the interview, he even said this, that we will be winning this. It's an easy pitch, a belter. Now that's an easy catch. And Suleiman Usman Mithai Wala at Mahmud Ali Road and eat Indian jalebi.
मोहम्मद अली रोड पे क्या माहिम में है मेरे को
You can order Dudhi Alwa from Afzal Sweets, Mira Road as well. They are good. Start of the sixth over. Very rarely it happens. Khan at one end, Khan at other end, Khan the bowler. So it's all in Khan. Khandan. Atif Khan, Kamar Khan, Imran Khan. हाँ वो इमरान खान है 4 नंबर श्रेयस है जो ओपनिंग में गया था दोनों कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं अपना मेमोरी कैसा है अच्छा सर और पिच डिलीवरी इनसाइड आउट स्ट्रोक सिंगल now the contest that you were looking for Kamar Khan is going to face Imran Khan. This is the time to take back those runs which were conceded from Imran Khan. $67 for 2. Oh, chance of a catch out by Shreyas Pandey. Pandey misses it and they will take a single. Shreyas Pandey not happy. What can be done? Can he go ahead and have a session with Chulbul Pandey who can guide him?
अरे वो गाना लगा ना पांडे जी का बेटा वो चुम्मा चिपक के लेता वो बैटिंग कर रहा है क्या आउट होने पे लगा
So a single by way of a bye. Runs are easily coming for React Royals against Flying Falcons. Just 30 to win. And ample time left in this match. That's in the air and will this be taken? Yes, it is. And a big wicket. Mouthshed.com wicket. Shiv Shankar is the new batter. और दुआ करके वो छोड़े ही तेरे को बजाने का मौका मिले
मौका मिले ना तो अगली मैच था ही आज दूसरे दिन चलेंगे
बजाते रहो 93.5 रेड एफएम
छक्के छक्के के लिए ढूंढ के बैठो एक भी नहीं मार रहा तब से
69 for 3 29 to win. Half tracker ball close to the body, pulled it nicely for single. overpitched and hit through the line. That's the beauty of this cricket. You hit the ball through the line and accumulate 2 runs. 71 for 3 after 6 overs. For Hatim Kapasi, signaling it. Shreyas Pandey in the outfield now, and it is Imran Khan who's the wicket keeper. Atif Khan on 11, Shiva on 0. Shiva goes for a big one. That's a baseball hit, and K12 inside 6. Shiva Shankar, reminding me of a Dhanush Tamil song. Why this Kolaveri? Kolaveridi. He put anger behind that shot. Oh, this will be, I think, a couple of runs. No, it's a 4. Shreyas Pandey bowls a wide. Flying Falcons certainly need a Robin Hood Pandey at this stage. It's 83, 84 for 3 now, only 14 runs to win. And that will be a great victory if they win this. Full toss ball, no ball, free hit. Oh. Oh, are we watching Bandra Circus? Fielder खोए खोए, बैटर धोए धोए, मैच के बाद रोए रोए. You will not get this entertainment even if you book it on bookmyshow.com. Trust me, it's mouthshut.com. Mouthshut.com 4, rather Wicket, Sogolytics 4 and K12 Inside 6 are the sponsors. Firmly driven, and this will be single. Very close to the victory. It's a no ball. Free hit. It's all happening here at Islam Gymkhana. All the efforts of Imran Khan and Ankit will go in vain if they lose this, but everyone will be happy. Saurabh Gupta, Chandan Gupta, Atif Khan, Shiva Shankar, Rohit Wagh. They all will be happy. This is in the air, but no man's land. And we'll wait for the umpire signal. This will be Sogolytics 4. Four runs to win. React Royals. Side sixer.
Packers. So, okay, what do you have to say?
It was really exciting, and this is my first VCL, and I was not expecting this much, these many people for cheer up, more than what my expectation was. So it's good, and I'm really excited till the end of the day. Hopefully, I'll be same.
Do you think ye VCL has an impact on overall team building and the work performance?
Yes, of course. Personally, I felt that it really has impact. Especially, I worked with Sogo Electric teams long before, and here VCL is the reason where I again met them after a long time. I had a very good attachment with some of them, like Dilip sir and then Manoj, Narayan, and I got chance to meet them after a long time. So it was really, and I feel like it's really revisiting my bonding with other teams. So it's not only for